Well done on learning this much and completing the first project. I want to recap what we have learned so far. We learned that views are building blocks of the UI, and with a special markup language XML, we can declare these views. When writing XML code or any code, you need to be careful about typos or punctuation mistakes. These are called syntax errors and will confuse the computer. We learned to identify views when we see a screen, and we saw that they are rectangles with some invisible bounds. We saw some different kinds of view, like text view, image view, button, and scroll view. And we also learned that view groups like linear layout or relative layout are also views. We learned that different types of views have different attributes that we can set in XML. For example, text view has text attribute and image view has scale type or source attribute. We covered a bunch of different attributes and played with them. We learned that views have some is-a relationship among them. For example, button is a text view and image view is a view. That allows us to reuse the attributes we already know for view, like background, layout height, and layout width, for all of the special views. Or let's say we can set text attribute of a button because it is also a text view. We learned that we can build parent-child relationship between views and view groups using opening and closing XML tags. We saw linear layout, which can position its children views like a chain, either horizontally or vertically. We then saw relative layout, which allows us to build a bit more sophisticated layouts. With the help of relative layout, we can declare children position based on parent and based on each other. We can center a view and then put another view to the right of it and another below. We learned how to use margins and paddings to create some white space and position views better. We saw the differences between linear and relative layouts and learned how to pick one over another. We learned that we could build complex view hierarchies if we nest layouts. Nesting means adding one view group, like linear layout, as a child of another view group, like relative layout. All these bits of information allowed us to build a good-looking app, Cafe 50, where we will add some user interactions in the upcoming videos. Whew. It was a really fast recap. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and see you in the next video. Congratulations on finishing the first half of Android 50. Thanks a lot for following this course so far. It was a great experience for me to create this course so far. And I hope you're confident now that software engineering is not rocket science. And you can also understand some bits of it just by watching a few hours of content.